Do a somersault on the moon. Oh, you're going to love the moon. Can you do a somersault on the moon? All right. Can you do it again? Can you do another one? Moon, moon, moon. Where's the moon?
Somersault.
Can you do somersault on the moon? You're good. Are you up, moon? Somersault on the moon. Hey. Moon. Oh, moon. Okay, moon. You're funny. Oh, he just said, "Oh, blanket." All right.
Somersault on the moon.
Back. Can you show Mama your smile? That's a pretty smile. Thank you.
Did you ham it up real good?
Where's your smile? That's a pretty smile. Where's your smile? Where's your back smile?
Where's your pinky?
That's a good smile.
Where's your pinky?
Where's your pinky? Up, moon. Okay. You going? Are you going up your stairs? Hey, back. Where's the ottoman? Where? That's right. You are a monkey. What's a monkey say? Yay! You made good somersaults, right? That was crooked. Good job. Yay, back. Hey, where's your smile? He just squinches up that face. Oh. Where's the moon? Can you give the moon a kiss? Oh, that was very nice. Love the moon.